In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently use the Kalodata website to discover trending products. Let's dive right in and unlock the full potential of product discovery together. First, you want to head over to the Kalodata website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't yet hopped on board and created an account, don't worry. Kalodata offers a free trial, so you can easily sign up and start exploring without any upfront commitment. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate over to the Product Discovery section. You'll find this by looking for the Explore or Product tab within the main menu. This section is a treasure trove of insights, showcasing trending products across a wide range of categories. It's designed to help you keep your finger on the pulse of what's hot in the market. To make the most out of this powerful tool, it's important to refine your search using filters. Start by selecting the product category you're most interested in. Whether it's electronics, fashion, or any other category, narrowing down your focus can make a world of difference. Next, consider the time frame that best aligns with your research needs. Kalodata allows you to choose specific periods like the last 7 or 30 days, helping you capture the latest trends with pinpoint accuracy. Another valuable filter is the region filter, which lets you concentrate on specific markets, making your search relevant to the geographical location you're targeting. For an even deeper dive, sort the products by metrics. Whether you're keen to see products with the highest revenue, the fastest growth rate, or those with the highest number of sales, these filters will help you zero in on top-performing products efficiently. Once your list is refined, it's time to analyze the product details. By clicking on individual products, you'll uncover a wealth of information. Look for sales data, which includes metrics like revenue, the number of units sold, and overall growth trends. These insights can be incredibly enlightening as you evaluate each product's market performance. Additionally, pay attention to creator engagement data. This will show you the top creators promoting the product and their performance metrics, giving you a sense of the product's reach and popularity. Don't forget to explore the video performance section. Here you'll find engagement metrics for videos featuring the product, providing yet another layer of valuable context. Finally, if you're looking to conduct more in-depth analyses or want to have data on hand for a more detailed study, Kalodata provides a convenient data export feature. You can export product lists and metrics into CSV files. This is ideal for offline analysis and ensures that you have all the data at your disposal whenever you need to revisit it. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage Kalodata like a pro, staying ahead of the curve in product discovery. Remember, with the right tools and strategies, identifying trending products can become a seamless and highly efficient process. Thank you for watching, and happy exploring.